According to the Environmental Protection Administration, the food wasted every year in Taiwan is over 590,000 tons, which piles up 13,000 Taipei 101 towers every year. 70% of it is sent to husbandry, and what is left ends up in landfill. Food waste is a serious problem in Taiwan and to some extent inevitable, especially when the schools in Taiwan provide lunch to students. But we do not only think that by raising awareness to the problem, parts of this waste can be prevented, but we think that there must be a better way to make use of the large amount of food waste. Therefore, we would like to introduce the company Wenergy to not only make better use of the daily waste, raise awareness of the problem of food waste, but also create job opportunities for the community. Raising awareness and contributing to education concerning food waste in order to prevent people from wasting food in the first place, but also to explain to them how we can make good use of the amount of waste which is inevitable. Another main objective is the actual making use of food waste, turning food waste into energy, and using the remaining residues, for example, as fertilizers and soil amendments. The ultimate goal of the company is to create a complete chain to deal with food waste. This chain starts with educational teams, goes on with teams collecting and transporting waste to all plants, workers making use of the waste, and people who bring the final product to consumers. We want to generate various jobs, creating possibilities from which everyone in the community will profit. Let's talk about how we do it. First of all, through our logistics team, we will collect and food waste mainly from the schools or businesses every day. Companies and educational institutions can apply or will be asked to participate. And then waste will be delivered to our plants, which will have anaerobic digesters installed. After the procedure, there will be biogas and digestate left. The biogas will be used to generate heat and electricity or turned into biomethane to be used in fuel or gas grids. By using the methods, the carbon emission can be reduced by 30% compared to the traditional thermal plants. On the other hand, the digestate will be turned into fertilizer, soil amendments, and livestock bedding. Heat and electricity can then be sold to members of the community, and the remaining digestate can help local farmers to improve their soil. There will be different job opportunities at Wenergy. We will need logistic teams, district managers, operators and maintenance staff, and also workers to transport the waste from one place to another, cleaners to maintain a clean environment, executives for different departments like sales, finance, marketing, human resources, and research and development. Also, there will be educational teams. Our company corresponds with Sustainable Development Goals. Affordable and clean energy, since we are creating energy from food waste. Decent work and economic growth. We will offer a lot of jobs when constructing our food waste processing chain. Sustainable cities and communities. We are bringing our community and city towards sustainability. Responsible consumption and production. We will promote the concept of saving food and make good use of food waste. Climate action. By applying the method, the carbon emission produced by thermal plants will drastically drop. In Taiwan, there is no such technology that can be used in the field today. We often dump the food waste directly into landfill or husbandry industry. Our method would be to to create a new life for waste, to make use of waste. Unlike other countries in the world, students in Taiwan are often provided with lunch in schools, so the collection of the food waste won't be a problem. We are confident that we will be able to collect enough food waste for generating energy. Preventing food waste from happening is not very likely to happen in the next few years. Most importantly, people have to eat every day so that we know that the jobs we create won't decrease. We will also offer education and training for our staff once we can predict a final improvement and reduction in food waste so that they can transition into different sectors once food waste is not that big a problem anymore in Taiwan. But at the moment it is, and we, with Wenergy, would like to take part in solving it. Thank you.